serious.
In June of 2005, Sheriff Bill Young wrote a letter to the Gaming Control Board requesting their help in getting casinos to ban gangster rap shows.
Please hang up and try again.
Sheriff Bill Young claimed that hip-hop had become a public safety issue.
Lawmakers are trying to crack down on the growing problem of graffiti. A new bill would make it a felony for repeat graffiti offenders with 3 strikes for the crime against them. The felony would come with a 1 to 5 year prison sentence. Right now, punishment can range from a misdemeanor to felony based on the amount of damage and where the crime takes place.